back with the round 2 of the 40 Under 40 awards. Our awardees in alphabetical order are Mr. Manish Agarwal, Miss Molly Agarwal, Mr. Manas Chandra Mazumdar, Mr. Parni Appan, Mr. Pankaj Kuhewar, Pritesh Guha Sarkar, Ms. Priyam Damankar, Mr. Prasanjit Roy, Mr. Kutubuddin Siddiqui, Mr. Ratindra Das, Mr. Rohan Parekh, Mr. Sarfaraz Nawaz, Ms. Sarika Mahajan, Mr. Siddhartha Kapoor, Mr. Soumyadeep Dhar, Mr. Sriram Venkatram, Ms. Sunaina Nagar, Ms. Suvidha Bhatkar, Ms. Vaishali Vyas, and Mr. Vipul Moghe.
Someone rightly said that persistence pays. This award of 40 Under 40 is a testament that no one should ever give up on their dreams. I am grateful to Legacies and the jury members for recognizing not just me but the other awardees for their good work. It is essential to reward the compliance function and officers as their contribution lays down the foundation for an organization's vitality and success. My success has been made possible with never-ending support from my mentors, colleagues, and family. Thank you everyone for being here tonight. Hope to meet you all in person at the next year's event.
I thank Legacies team for providing this award. I am very happy to receive this award. I also acknowledge my colleague Rahman for providing all his effort, and also my CFO and all other team members for providing their support in ensuring good compliance for our company. Thank you.
I'm very glad and honored to receive this special category of award from the Legacies in the 40 by 40 category. I would extend my special thanks to the company as well as my bosses for keeping me always motivated. Finally, after the 2 years, I received this award from the Legacies. Once again, thanks to the Legacies services for this wonderful award.
It is very hard to put my exact feelings into words as to how I am feeling exactly. But what I can say is that I am deeply honored by this award for recognition of my work with respect to compliance. And I really want to very earnestly thank my colleagues, Legacies, as well as my family for putting up with me working during the pandemic at home. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm overwhelmed with gratitude to have been selected to receive the Compliance 10 in 40 Under 40 award. I'm so honored to have my work recognized by the prestigious Compliance 10 awards. It means so much to me that the work I'm so passionate about also resonates with others and is getting recognized. I would also like to thank my support systems at work as well as at home for this achievement. I will continue my efforts to make a difference and bring about positive changes in the field of ethics and compliance for many years to come. Once again, I'm grateful and thoroughly humbled. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay, for the award. It's been an honor to receive this as a compliance officer. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Legacies, for this wonderful token of appreciation. It's really great. I would like to thank entire Legacies team for this great trophy. Thank you very much. I also wanted to thank Crompton legal team who are always there with me whenever needed for compliance related issues. I also wanted to thank my family members who are always a motivation to me. So thank you very much, Legacies, for this wonderful appreciation. Thank you very much.
My name is Ratindra, Legal Head and Compliance Officer at Route Mobile Limited, and I would like to begin by congratulating Legacies and Bombay Stock Exchange for putting together this virtual ceremony. I am both honored by this recognition and humbled to be among the past recipients of this award. For this, I would like to thank the jury members for considering me worthy for this award. I am deeply touched by this. There are few people that I must thank. Route Mobile, my employer, Chairman of the Board, Mr. Sandeep Gupta, Managing Director and Group CEO, Mr. Rajdeep Gupta, and their collective vision and commitment towards upholding the highest standards of corporate governance, which has really culminated into us receiving this award. Of course, goes without saying, my family, to whom I owe so much. And finally, but nonetheless, my team at Route Mobile Limited for their extraordinary work that they have put up during the last 1 year, especially during the most troubled COVID times. Thank you, team. I am genuinely receiving this award on behalf of all of them. Thank you and have a great year ahead.
It is indeed a pleasure to attain recognition as winner for the second time under 40/40 category at the 8th Compliance 1010 Awards. I would like to express my gratitude towards the jury members for recognizing my efforts to ensure compliance in my organization. It would have definitely not been possible without the support of my family members, my managers, my leadership team and my internal audit team at Cadila. I would like to thank Team Legacies for providing me the opportunity and the platform, and a big congratulations to all the other winners in the respective categories. In the summary, I would say this event re-emphasizes the need for the organizations to adopt compliance by choice and not by compulsion. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Siddharth Kapoor from Tata Realty. Thank you, Legacies and the jury, for selecting me as a winner under 40 under 40 category. It's a moment of great pleasure. And I would like to dedicate this award to the compliance team at Tata Realty, and also appreciate and thank the management for driving the culture of compliance within the organization right from top to bottom, which has made our life much more easier. Thank you so much, Legacies.
Thank you, Legacies and its jury members, for awarding me the trophy Compliance 40 under 40. I thank Internal Audit Department and my organization Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited for providing me the opportunity to work in this compliance portfolio. I started working in this portfolio in 2019 and gradually gained interest based on compliance culture of the organization, which is enrooted from senior management to lower management, and mechanism of compliance assessment, monitoring and tracking through CATS tool, which is an embedded part of the organization. I once again thank Internal Audit, my current department, EHS, my previous department, and all my reporting managers to provide me the opportunity to work in this portfolio of compliance, to gain knowledge and expertise for professional development alongside enhancing the level of compliance and its culture for the organization to ensure its sustenance. Thank you, Legacies, for awarding me the trophy.
Hi, I would like to thank Legacies and Compliance 10 on 10 jury for selecting me for this award. I thank my family, my friends and all the professional colleagues who have shaped my career and have helped me in this learning. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for this incredible award. Thank you, Team Legacies and BSC, for recognizing my initiatives in compliance. This award motivates me to take new initiatives and follow prudent governance practices. Thank you, Team SRG Housing, for giving me this opportunity. Special thanks to Divya and Saili for being the great team player that they are. Thanks to my family for being there always for me. Thank you.
I am extremely honored in receiving this award in Compliance 1010 under 40 under 40 category associated by Legacy Services. It has been enriching experience in monitoring compliances at Tata Power Group and implementing Legatrix at new growth of Tata Power. Implementing a well-established system helped us in achieving adherence to compliance within timelines. The guidance given by our Chief Compliance and support by Legatrix teams enable us to achieve a very high level of compliance index. I once again thanks to Legatrix team for all their cooperation.
Thank you, Legacies. Thank you, Team HDFC and my family. Thank you so much.
We heartily congratulate all the awardees under the 40 under 40 category. Now we would move on to the next segment of the day.